Good morning, everyone. Can everyone hear me? Okay, so bit of advice. If you have a metal detector with you today and you're ready to go, feel free to escape the line and start detecting. If you wish to make a gold coin donation, that would be much appreciated. You can make it at your leisure. Now, if you need a metal detector so that you can find the treasure, we will need you to stay in the line.
Go both dig in the sand.
I'll show you.
Just wait till the detector.
Five-year warranty, and you'll be able to find parts for it for over 10 years. Way over 10 years. It's the only brand that you can get to do that. Or you